Good morning, Dennis K here, Belize Islands Real Estate. I don't know if you can hear that. Birds are singing this morning. It's Friday. Up early, having a nice walk, enjoying a coffee. It's just so beautiful out. It's gonna be an awesome day, man. I hope you guys are having a good one too. You know, I've been working on this new series regarding making investments, especially in Belize when it comes to Belize real estate and in Belize in general, not just financially, but also of your time and what you hope to get out of the country in terms of personal growth and opportunities and adventure. But you know, most people, when they talk about making a financial investment, are simply looking for the return at the end of the day. You know, so they say to themselves, you know what, I have $100,000 I want to invest. I'm going to put that into this property or this condo or into this project. And when all is said and done, I hope to make X in return. But it just oversimplifies the whole process, right? I mean, what did you have to do to get the 100,000? You know, how much of your time and effort and energy and missed opportunity costs did you have to work for to get the 100 grand to make the investment? And then at the end of the day, what are you actually going to get out of it? You know, that's what I found exciting, because if you do it right, then you can multiply not only your money, but also your life, your experiences. You could have so much more if you make the right investment. And I'm not just talking about money. You know, money's just a very small portion of it. Money's necessary. It's like gas in a car. I read an illustration one time or a story that money in your life is like gas in a car. When you make a road trip across the United States or across Canada, gas is important, but your trip isn't about stopping in at all the gas stations along the way. You know, that's just the fuel that you're using to propel your journey, to forward your journey. And so when I talk about making a financial investment in Belize, that's just the fuel. That's just the start of massive returns, what could be massive returns in terms of money, in terms of life, experiences, and memories. My goodness, the memories. You know, at the end of the day, I don't know about you, but at the end of the day, and even at the beginning of the day, I do a little meditation and I just kind of do a quick scan of my life, how things have gone the past day, the past week, past month, past few years. And, you know, to me, the memories are what are precious. You know, time spent with family and loved ones and experiences. That's what makes life worth living. And the investments can help you do that. So I hope you've been enjoying my YouTube videos lately. I'm going to get even more raw and open and just real about, you know, what Steph and I have done over the years, how we've invested financially, but also how we've invested our time, our free time, our energies, you know, and also be honest too about some missed opportunity cost. Because anytime you're making an investment in something to go a certain direction, you also miss out on other things that you could have done. So I'm going to be talking a lot about that here in the upcoming weeks. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Appreciate that. Turn on the little bell icon. I'm going to start to do more live events as far as taking Q&As and just riffing about different things that are going on and different opportunities that are coming up in Belize. Anyways, hope you're doing well. Have a fantastic Friday. Hope you have good things planned with family and loved ones over the weekend. And enjoy this life, man. Just enjoy it. Talk to you soon.